done all the way to the site. So we need onboard our ambulance. We need to find where to park the ambulance, safest place, but near enough to get the equipment, far enough from any hazard.
Yeah. You're
Okay.
back in a safe way.
Yes.
Done.
So arriving at the scene, is the scene safe? Do I hear, smell, sense any danger at the scene?
There's no hazards, the scene is safe.
So who are the people at the scene right now? The police, the fire?
Everybody's there.
Everybody's there. So
We have,
how many?
Police?
Yes,
We
police.
have fire?
So how many patients involved?
Only one.
Only one. Yeah. So me and my partner, I have the police, I have the civil defense, and I have two partners with me. I don't need additional resources right now. What's the mechanism of injury?
Yeah. The patient was driving his car at speed of around 120 per minute.
Per
hour.
Yes,
Per hour. Right? And he's using two phones. He's talking on one, and writing message on the other.
Okay then.
Right? So he lost control of his vehicle and he hit the pole, electrical pole.
So it's a direct stop. So
Right.
just merely knowing the mechanism of injury as early as now, this patient is a load and go patient. So approaching the patient with my partner, general impression, what's the sex,
Right.
age, position, and body movements.
Okay. The patient which left the car by himself, he's lying on the floor supine, exactly like you see.
Yes.
He's around 35 years old male, lying supine, eyes closed.
The eyes are closed.
Eyes closed, and you cannot see any obvious
Is there any
bleeding or
immediate light
severe
threat?
hemorrhage.
No. So there's no immediate light threat,
No.
like
No.
external bleeding.
No.
So we're safe to go. So I'll instruct my partner. Partner, can you do a manual inline stabilization of the neck while I'm going to check the patient's level of responsiveness. Hey sir, my name is Jay. I'm
Yeah.
applied paramedic.
Jay,
Can
help
you tell
me please.
something?
Help me please, Jay. My leg and arm hurt.
So the patient is responding to me. Level of consciousness is alert. How about checking for airway? Do I see any obvious injury? Sir, can you open your mouth please for me?
He does.
So he's talking. He obeys my command. Do I see anything in the patient's mouth that I need to suction, like blood, vomitus?
No for anybody.
No foreign body. Okay, airway is clear. Check for breathing. Look, listen, and feel. Breathing rate, quality, and depth, please.
Right. Normal depth, symmetric movement at a rate of about 24 per minute. It's a
Okay,
bit
normal
faster
depth,
than usual.
bit fast a little bit. So I'll instruct my partner. Partner, apply high flow oxygen, non-rebreather mask at 15 liters per minute.
Okay, done.
So I'm done with my breathing. About my circulation, check for pulse.
Yeah. Peripheral pulse is there. Normal strength, little rapid.
Rapid normal strength. Okay. How about the skin color and temperature of the patient?
Pink, warm, dry.
Pink, warm, and dry. Is there any again, I need to ask, is there any major bleeding that I need to control right now?
No.
So CRT can be added as well.
Yeah, CRT is 1.5 seconds.
1.5 seconds. Okay. This patient is a load and go, firstly because of the mechanism of injury, and patient may be showing signs and symptoms of shock. He has trouble, breathing rate is fast, and he may be suffering from shock because of the mechanism of injury. So partner, what I want you to do is prepare the backboard for me, right? While I'm going to be doing my rapid trauma survey. Inspection of the head. Do I see, on inspection, do I see any obvious injury on the patient's face?
No.
On palpation, the tenderness, is there any tenderness, instability, or crepitation on the patient's face?
No intensity in the patient head and face.
Okay then. So looking at the patient's head, neck, do I see any obvious injury on inspection of the patient's
No
neck?
abnormalities.
How about the neck veins? Are the neck veins distended
Neck veins
or
are
flat?
Flat.
Neck veins are flat. Okay. On palpation, do I feel any
Not yet.
crepitus, tenderness,
Not yet.
instability, step up? Okay, partner, I want you to apply C-collar right now, please, for me.
Trachea is central.
Okay. Fake is midnight, right?
Central, yes.
Yes. No subcutaneous emphysema as well.
No, that's wrong.
Exposing the chest.
Okay.
On inspection, do I see any obvious injury on the patient's chest?
No obvious injury.
Asymmetrical chest wall movement, paradoxical chest
Chest
wall
moves
movement.
symmetrically equal bilaterally.
Okay, equal bilaterally.
No paradoxical motion.
No paradoxical. Just emphasize it.
Right.
So on palpation, do I feel for any tenderness, instability, or crepitation on palpation?
No. No TIC.
On auscultation, upper,
Clear.
upper,
Clear. Equal.
lower,
Clear.
lower or base.
Equal bilaterally.
So this time I'll be checking for the heart pulse.
No.
So equal breath sounds bilaterally.
Looks normal.
And
Not
heart
muffled.
sounds normal. No muffled heart sound.
No.
Since the patient's breath sounds are normal, I don't need to do percussion. So I'll proceed with the abdomen. And the abdomen exposed. Do I see any obvious injury in the patient's abdomen?
No.
Distension,
No.
evisceration,
No.
any marking? Nothing. So palpate. Upper,
Soft.
upper,
Soft.
lower,
Soft. Not tender. All of that.
soft, non-tender. That's good. So in the pelvic area, do I see any obvious injury on inspection?
No.
Palpate for the abdomen, for the tender, for tenderness, instability, and crepitation in
Normal.
and down.
No.
Okay, that's good.
No TIC.
No TIC on palpation. Expose the lower leg, right, left leg. On inspection, do I see any obvious injury on the left lower leg? On inspection.
On the left one, no.
Okay. On palpation, tenderness, instability,
No
crepitation, no
TIC.
TIC. Check for pulse.
You can palpate the dorsal pedis pulse.
Sir, can you feel me touching you?
He does.
Can you move your toes as well?
Yeah, he's wiggling
Okay.
his toes.
PMS positive on the left lower extremity.
Right.
Exposing the right lower extremity, do I see any obvious injury on inspection?
Obvious deformity in the knee.
Obvious deformity on the knee, but on the upper nothing, but I'll palpate. On the upper one,
Nothing.
I will not palpate on the affected extremity or the knee. Tenderness, instability, crepitation, nothing.
No.
Check for pulse,
PMS positive.
positive. Okay then, so go to the upper extremity,
Okay.
left upper extremity on inspection,
No obvious injuries.
on palpation, TIC,
No TIC.
PMS or pulse
Positive.
motor sensor.
PMS positive.
Positive. Left, right, right upper extremity on inspection, obvious injury,
Yeah. Obvious deformity at the upper arm.
up the upper arm, okay?
Right.
So about tenderness on the non-affected one, lower.
No tenderness
TIC,
otherwise.
check for PMS.
PMS positive.
Okay then, so I'm done with the anterior part. We're gonna log roll the patient partner.
Sure.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna log roll the back.
Okay.
Can someone put on the spine word for me? I have the civil defense. So partner, the C-spine control will be the one taking charge. On your
Are you
count.
ready to log roll the
Yes,
patient?
we are ready.
On my count, on three, log roll the patient. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
One piece.
That's one load, log rolling the patient. Now I'm gonna inspect. This is the first and the last I'm gonna log roll the patient. So I'll be checking for DCAP BLS. Right? Deformity, contusion,
No injuries at all.
TIC on palpation.
No TIC at all.
Okay, then I'm gonna put the patient on the backboard. Please.
Okay, ready on my count? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, then we're gonna position. We're gonna teach you tomorrow how to do it.
Okay, down to the right of the patient. 1, 2, 3. Up straight. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. We're gonna put the strap.
The patient is strapped at the back of the ambulance right now.
So the patient is strapped at the back of the ambulance right now. So I'll instruct my partner. Partner, give me a baseline vital signs. Partner, can you insert IV access for me right now?
What signs you want?
Complete vital signs. Blood pressure,
Blood
pulse
pressure is
rate,
110/60.
under 10 over 60, pulse rate.
107. 107.
107.
Breathing
Not
rate is
cardiac.
24.
Breathing rate is 24.
Pulse oximeter with 5 liters oxygen shows 96%.
Okay,
And the CO2 shows 37.
37. So RBS, I'll stick finger glucose stick right now.
RBS is 5.2.
So as of the moment, vital signs within the normal parameters, but I'm still suspecting.
Yeah, I'm the brother. Anything you want?
So can you tell me the sample history?
What do you know?
I can ask the patient. So do you have any allergy?
I didn't get him. I tried to, but I couldn't get him.
Allergy, sample history.
Okay.
As per allergy
Tell me.
medication.
Tell me, what do you know?
Okay.
What do you want to know?
Sir, do you have any allergy to medication or anything at all?
Yeah, I have allergy to paramedics.
Oh, really, sir? It's a good thing I'm a flight paramedic, not a paramedic.
Okay, that's good.
Do you have any past
No
pregnancy?
allergies, I'm just kidding. No allergies. Yeah. All right, I'm done.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay, then there will the sample history. How many minutes ETA?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. So
What are you going to do next?
I'm gonna do next. I will just repeat. I'm doing an ongoing assessment.
Excellent. Thank you very much.